I'm going to show you how to fix peak Unity error, so make sure to follow my steps. The first method, you should go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this. You should just look for display adapters, double click on it, and then you need to select your graphics card. Do not select the integrated one. Right click and select update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. After that, you need to click on close. You should try again and see if it works. If not, for the second method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, you should find this NVIDIA app appearing. If not, you should just download it from their official website. Now go to drivers icon in the left menu. After that, make sure to install latest available driver you will find right here. Now the next method, you should just go to the Windows taskbar, click this side arrow, and then if you do find the Steam icon running or any launcher that you have the game on, right click on it and select exit. You need to wait for a couple of moments. Now you need to relaunch the game launcher once again. From here, go to library and then go to collections. Look for peak game. The game must be installed. I don't have it installed, so once you select it, click on this gear icon and then go to properties. In the launch options, make sure to type in this command -force-3dd11. Once done, go to installed files and to that select verify integrity of game files. Now wait for the process to finish so it can verify and restore any corrupted or missing file. After that, all you have to do is to try relaunching the game and see if the problem is fixed. If you find this video is helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.